Today I'm gonna make just a simple keto-friendly salad. In this salad, basically you can make ahead of time, leave it in your fridge, and eat them whenever and whatever. All of these ingredients here are pretty low in carbohydrate, which makes it perfect for keto, especially vegetarian keto. I like my tomato. Some people like the tomato in slices. I kind of like them in sort of like big chunks. So this is a fairly big tomato. Because I'm not having a lot of different different variety of vegetables in there. So basically half of that tomato, that's pretty much 1 cup of tomatoes. So let's do, this is almost like just under 2 cups of tomatoes because this tomato's big. Then I'm gonna put 1 pepper. Green pepper would have a lower carbohydrate content, but for this particular example, I'm just using the yellow or orange pepper because it tastes the yummiest next to the red. So all of these vegetables were washed. With these ones, again, not doing anything fancy. I'm just sort of just cutting it. This is a really good knife. These ones are a little long, so I'm just gonna cut this. Put it on the edges. Really, just for a little presentation, because I'm making a video on this. But if I was eating it, I would just put it any which way. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna put it on the edges. Because even if you're on a ketogenic diet and you're not plant-based, you still really require 7 to 10 cups of vegetable. So this way you could be keto and healthy. And also if you're going towards a vegan diet, it's still important that you eat as many vegetables as possible. There's a lot of vegan diets that are almost, I would say, over 90% of man-made starch. So you want to go towards whole food. So these things that I put in the bowl here, I'm not throwing it away. I am just gonna use that in a stock a little later on. This is enough red onions. I mean, I like onions, but I don't love onions. This is enough. Just gonna put this on top. And if you want, you could do a lot better presentation. Oh, Let me remove that from the bowl. An avocado for your fat. Swiss. Yum. Avocados are my favorite. Take the batter. Ooh, I dug it really deep in that one. Scoops. Get in there, avocado. This is a salad for an actual person that's going to be eating it. That's me. This is sliced olive that I already have. I am just going to sprinkle some on top. Just a little bit more. And that is it. Simple salad. If I'm hungry, I can double this recipe and remake all of it. The only thing I would leave out is the avocado because there's quite a bit of fat already in there, but everything else I can eat as much as I like until I'm satisfied. See you in the next video.